In this question, we have to find the integration of x square minus of 2 upon x square plus 1. So you will write the numerator as x square plus 1 and minus of 3. And in denominator, you will write the value as x square plus 1 dx. So if I will separate the value, you will write x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx minus of integration of 3 by x square plus 1 dx. So we can cancel this value. You will get the value as integration of dx minus of 3 integration of 1 by x square plus 1 dx. And the integration of dx, that is equal to x, and the integration of 3 into 1 by x square plus 1, that is equal to 3 tan inverse of x, and plus c is written. So the answer that you will get, that is equal to x minus 3 tan inverse x plus c.